Hi again. So the first thing we're going to talk about is understanding what format your design is going to be exported in. And that begins with understanding how it's going to be used before you even open the application. So if you're going to be making a digital design or a print design, that's the first question you have to ask yourself. And if it's both, you can resize any of the designs along the way, and I'll show you how to do that. I recommend starting with the largest size and then downsizing based on that. So we'll start today with creating a poster, and then I'll show you how to downgrade that size to create a flyer out of it. So if you're making a digital design, like a social media post, it's going to require certain aspect ratios. So you can Google that, just whatever social media outlet it is. So let's say Facebook post aspect ratio, and it'll give you the exact dimensions that you need your file to be in. The other thing that's important about how you're going to be distributing it is how you're going to be exporting it. So if it's an email, you're probably going to be using a JPEG. If it's a logo or something that's going to go on a t-shirt, you probably export as a PNG with a transparent background. And I know that it might not make sense right now, but I'll go over it once we have the application open. But you should think about how you're going to be using it before you even open the application, because that will determine how you're going to design. So ask yourself those questions. Is it going to be print or digital? What are the aspect ratios that I'm going to need? And what are the export types that I'm going to need? So stay tuned, and next we're going to be talking about how to access all of the assets that you're going to need for your design.